is your First Alert 5 weather with Mike Daniels.
Plenty of weather excitement in eastern Colorado this afternoon. This was just 15 miles northwest of Burlington around 2:15. Twin tornadoes on the ground at the same time. That's a rare occurrence in our state, especially in the middle part of August. Outside live right now in Colorado Springs, that's a real great shot of that thunderstorm that's just off to the east of the Springs right now. That's live from downtown Pueblo. Just a peaceful but hot afternoon rolling across the Steel City. Here's what's going on in eastern Colorado. Really quiet here across the I-25 corridor. We've got some thunderstorms out near the Kansas border, and that's really where the focus is going to be for severe weather. We've got a thunderstorm here in El Paso County, just east of the city. This thing out along 94 between Schriever and Ellicott, dropping down some real good rain, maybe some small hail with that thing as well. And there is a ton of dangerous cloud to ground lightning with that thunderstorm. It is pushing off to the east at about 15 miles per hour, pushing a little outflow boundary across eastern Colorado. That's that outflow right there, that little green line. That's rain-cooled air coming off the thunderstorms. Sometimes those outflows trigger additional thunderstorms. We'll watch that closely. Also have that tornado watch until 7 o'clock tonight for Lincoln County all the way out to the Kansas border. Always remember, a watch means we're still under the gun for the possibility of tornadoes until at least 7 o'clock tonight. Here's your hour-by-hour forecast. This model doing a good job of picking up on that thunderstorm just east of Colorado Springs. Everything continues to push from west to east, and by 10 o'clock tonight could see some more shower activity across parts of the Pikes Peak region. Not expecting any strong thunderstorms, but a weak thunderstorm certainly not out of the question. And by 2 to 2:30 tomorrow morning, still tracking thunderstorms out across far eastern Colorado. That's going to be an area we're going to watch very closely here for the rest of the night into tomorrow morning. By mid-morning, we're seeing sunshine along the I-25 corridor. Here we go again, the afternoon clouds and just isolated thunderstorms tomorrow along I-25. Some of those thunderstorms further east could be rather strong tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. Going to watch a dry line close to the Kansas border. That dry line, the breeding ground for the possibility of strong to severe thunderstorms. Once again, you can see the strongest likelihood of that severe weather the closer you are to the Kansas border. Again, we'll have updates as you watch throughout the night tonight and during the day tomorrow. Outside right now, we've got 80s and 90s across a good chunk of the News 5 viewing area. Low temperatures tonight, really not bad for this time of the year, dropping down into the 50s up and down the I-25 corridor. Afternoon high temperatures tomorrow on the hot side once again, 86 in the Springs. Pueblo tomorrow, an afternoon high temperature of 94 degrees. In Colorado Springs, hot and dry is the main message for Thursday. A little more low-level moisture around Friday and Saturday. A couple of disturbances coming through, so I'll include at least a chance of getting an isolated afternoon thunderstorm in the mix. Hot and dry Sunday, Monday into next Tuesday with afternoon highs even hotter than what we should have this time of the year. In the Pueblo area, outside chance of an isolated thunderstorm tomorrow. You will sizzle on Thursday. Again, isolated at best thunderstorms Friday and Saturday. The main takeaway from that extended forecast is the hot air. You're going to be locked into the mid and upper 90s for at least the next 7 days. And for Canyon City, you're hot tomorrow with an isolated thunderstorm. Mid 90s in the mix Thursday into Friday. No dramatic changes temperature-wise here over the next 7 days. And for Woodland Park, afternoon high temperatures really comfortable, upper 70s to low 80s. Chance of seeing those PM thunderstorms all the way into the weekend. Time for traffic here on News 5. Here's what's going on right now. Drive times up and down I-25. It's really slow right now between Colorado Springs and Denver. That's a 75-minute drive, and we've got accidents to make you aware of. Nevada at I-25, steer clear of that area. Another crash, Garden of the Gods eastbound at Mark Dabbling. Guys?